This is more of an intro video to a technology called ZapWorks Studio. There's this company called ZapWorks that allows you to create AR solutions, augmented reality solutions, and these could be pretty interesting projects for the newspaper. Where you could create really cool interactive experiences using 3D objects, like this one. So this is a 3D like AR experience I created using one of the Roots Knowledge panels. And so when you look at it through your phone, this panel, like at the Roots of Knowledge installation, you can see this 3D model of this temple here, this Temple of Herod, and you can walk around it and check it out. So it's just a cool interactive experience, and there's a lot of possibilities here um, with telling the news and telling stories to explain things. So this technology is very complicated, and I'm not going to make a whole video on how to do something like this. But if you want to do this, then just go to ZapWorks, and then they have very extensive uh, and very awesome documentation and tutorials. So I just showed you a studio, and then they have this thing called Designer, which creates actually makes it pretty easy to like make stuff without getting too deep into like code and stuff. But doing something in Studio allows you to really explore your options. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to link to this website here and its documentation so that you guys can start making really cool AR experiences. Now the pricing, if the newspaper buys it, is maybe like you could buy a couple seats for some designers on the paper, and they're usually like 35. Um, 35 bucks a month for like the basic stuff. So ZapWorks Designer is their browser app, and then if you want to create cool 3D object experiences, that's 99 bucks a month. Um, yeah, it's definitely an investment, but if you want to get your hands on this technology, that's how much it costs. Right. So